Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Onlyfans management. First, you need to grasp the full scope of the role, which involves much more than just posting. Successful management requires a blend of marketing savvy, strong communication, and organizational skills. We'll cover the foundational elements to help you launch your management service effectively, ensuring you start on a solid footing for future success and client satisfaction. A manager's daily tasks are diverse, encompassing content strategy, scheduling, and direct subscriber engagement. You'll be responsible for posting new content consistently, often several times a week, and responding to messages to foster a loyal community. Effective marketing across various platforms is also vital to attract new subscribers and grow the creator's audience. Additionally, meticulous financial tracking ensures transparency and proper income distribution. To build a successful management business, clearly define your services and pricing. Many managers charge a percentage, often between 20 and 40%, of the creator's earnings. Develop a compelling portfolio highlighting past successes or your unique value proposition. A comprehensive contract is essential to outline expectations and protect both you and your clients. Always use secure and private communication methods for all sensitive discussions. For sustained growth, leverage social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok to drive traffic to Onlyfans. Regularly analyze performance data, such as subscriber growth and engagement rates, to refine your content strategy and maximize earnings. Maintaining open and honest communication with your creators is paramount for a strong partnership. Stay informed about platform updates and industry trends to keep your strategies fresh and effective, ensuring long-term success.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.